I decided to teach fishing for summer school, or angler education. This is actually the junior angler education program that the Texas Parks and Wildlife does. So it's the same curriculum that they would get if they went to a Texas Parks and Wildlife program. It involves casting, and it involves knot tying and fish anatomy, fish handling, ethics, rules, laws, regulations. Oh, they love it. They they really like it. And this day is the best day because it's so much more hands-on than the other days.
I'm gonna try to get both
but yeah, they love it. They love learning about the different fish that they can catch and the different ways that they breathe. The anatomy really went over well because they were able to compare them to people and how really alike they are to us because they need the same things. Animals need the same things as people. So they really liked all of it.